Meaning of first cousin.
First cousin.
First cousin.
First cousin.
First cousin. A first cousin is a relative with whom one shares a set of grandparents. Specifically, the child of one's aunt or uncle would be considered a first cousin. This type of cousin shares approximately 12.5% of their DNA with the individual in question. First cousins are generally considered close relatives and may share various familial relationships and experiences, but they are not as closely related as siblings or half-siblings. In some cultures, marriage between first cousins is allowed and even encouraged, while in others it is heavily stigmatized or forbidden.